Yes, ready. We next consider the formula of distribution of union excise duties, taking first the distribution of the 40% of union excise duties stock. The states have suggested diverse criteria. Stop the states of Orissa, Sikkim, and Goa have favored continuation of the 8th Finance Commission formula stop. Tripura and Manipur have supported the existing formula with some minor modifications stop. Haryana and Punjab consider that population should be the criterion for distribution of the state's shares stop. Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Mizoram have suggested that a common formula should be adopted for the distribution of the state's share of income tax and union excise duties stop. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka have suggested equal weightage for population and distance of the states per capita SDP from the per capita SDP of the richest state stop. Kerala has proposed a combination of population with distance of per capita income, inverse of per capita cumulative plan outlay and central investments tax effort and allocation efficiency as measured by the ratio of development expenditure to total revenue expenditure stock. Madhya Pradesh has proposed that 15% of the net proceeds of union excise duties should be distributed on the basis of area or area adjusted total population, 35% on the basis of inverse of per capita income, and 50% on the basis of distance of per capita income stock. Uttar Pradesh suggests that the divisible pool of union excise duties be distributed among the states on the following pattern: 50% on the basis of population, 25% on the basis of the inverse ratio of per capita income of the states multiplied by population, and the remaining 25% to the states whose per capita income is below all states' average stop. Bihar has urged that 50% should be distributed on the basis of inverse of per capita income multiplied by rural population, and the other 50% on the basis of the distance of the per capita income of the state from the highest per capita income state multiplied by the rural population of the concerned state stop. Formulations suggested by Gujarat and Rajasthan are quite elaborate and they take note of several factors stop. Tamil Nadu has observed that the proceeds of union excise duties should be distributed entirely on the basis of the equalization factor calculated by multiplying the tax income ratio by distance adjusted to 1971 population as per the recommendations of the 8th Finance Commission stop.